Dollar yen daily forecast, December 30th, fxempire.com. The dollar yen fell during the Thursday session as the dollar lost ground against most of the major currencies around the globe. The pair has been forming a massive triangle recently, as being drawn here on the daily chart, and it is testing the bottom of the support line. This triangle is actually an ascending triangle, which is quite bullish. So a break below the support line is actually very bearish, as it shows a complete capitulation by the bulls. It is also with the overall trend, so because of this, we are very willing to sell this pair if that's what happens. However, the resistance line at the top of this triangle at what we'll call 78.50 would be a classic buy signal as well. We will, however, not be buying this pair either way. Beyond the obvious trend to the downside overall, the pair also has a massive resistance line at the 80 level that would have to be overcome for us to be comfortable in buying this pair for any length of time. The intervention by the Bank of Japan on Halloween, October 31st, managed to pop but didn't get above the 80 level. And in fact, it is closed right at basically the 78.40 level, which we're calling 78.50 for lack of a better term, which is the top of our triangle. With that being said, with the intervention not being able to crack above the 80 mark, it's very difficult to understand how the markets by themselves will. However, if we do break to the upside of this triangle, we think this would only be a great opportunity to sell if we cannot get above the 80 mark. In fact, it quickly becomes a binary trade at this point, as a move above it is a massive buy and hold signal, above the 80 mark that is, and any signs of weakness as we approach that level would only confirm the massive resistive qualities of that level. In our opinion, selling exhaustive candles at 80 is the closest thing to a sure bet as there is. As mentioned above, though, if we do and the markets keep rising and close us out for a loss, we would be willing to admit something has changed in the overall trend of the pair and be just as ready to flip our trade and buy at that point. The market will certainly have to make some kind of decision soon, and because of this, we will be waiting for a signal, which for the time being will involve selling this pair either at higher levels or below this triangle.